You can take any project you make in App Lab and export it to use outside of code.org. Here's how you do it. Just click Share, and underneath the Share you have some options. You could embed this onto another web page, but we're going to export for the web. When you do, you'll download a zip file with the same name as your project, and then you'll need to go to wherever that was downloaded. Find that zip file, right-click on it, and extract, and let it know where you want to extract it to. You'll end up with something like this. Here you can see any images you've added to your project. So the main thing you need is the index right here. So there's two ways to open this. You can open it as a web page, which is your functioning app, just in the browser, and it gets rid of all the code.org documentation. Takes away the curvy little fake screen around it. And then let's move this over to the side. And then the other way you can open it is to right click and open with. You can use Notepad or whatever editor you've got on your device. You can put one on one side and one on the other side. Alright, so now we have the HTML that created this project over here, and also all the styles that change it, which is nice. And some of these things are a little tricky to change. For example, like here I see there's a div called div app lab. That's its ID, and it has a height of 450 pixels. Now if I change that to 600 pixels, maybe I'm trying to make this taller over here. And now I am going to have to save every time, so Control S, or just click Save here, and then refresh on this side. Notice, did I break it? Oh yeah, I did break it. Look at that. I put PX in there twice. Okay, let's try again. Okay, so it's not taller, even though I made this div app lab. So the thing is, there's this app, and then that's a container, and then inside of that is another one called screen, and inside of that's going to be another one. So the best way to do this is just to come up here to replace, and everywhere you see 450 pixels, that's the original height of the screen, we're going to replace it with 600 pixels, like that. And we'll go ahead and replace all. Then we'll Control S to save, come over here and refresh, and now we have an app that's quite a bit longer. Now, the height of the screen is just one of many elements that you can get in here and change, but just keep in mind when you change something, you may have to change it in several different places. All right, have fun.